Imagine this. You've just been paid, and instead of walking into a traditional bank branch, waiting in line, filling out papers, and dealing with confusing fees, you manage everything right on your phone. No lines, no wasted time, just instant control of your money. But here's the real question. Which online bank is actually the best for beginners like you? Stick around, because the answer might not be what you think. Number 1. Why online banks are changing the game. Traditional banks are like dinosaurs. They're big, slow, and expensive to maintain. Branches, tellers, office buildings, all of that costs money. And who ends up paying for it? Customers. Online banks, on the other hand, cut out all that overhead. That means they can pass the savings back to you in the form of higher interest rates, lower fees, and easier tools to manage your money. For example, while many brick-and-mortar banks still offer checking accounts with almost zero interest, online banks can offer you rates of 3 to 5% on savings accounts. That's money growing while you sleep. Number 2. Safety and trust. Now, you might be thinking, but is my money safe online? Fair question. The answer is yes, if you choose wisely. Legit online banks in the USA are FDIC insured. That means if the bank somehow goes under, your money is protected up to $250,000 per account. That's the same safety net traditional banks offer. To give you an example, Ally Bank is one of the most popular online banks. They don't have branches, but your money is FDIC insured just like it would be at Chase or Wells Fargo. So, you're not taking extra risks by going digital. Number 3. Higher savings rates you can actually feel. Here's where things get exciting. Traditional banks often give you laughably low interest rates on savings. We're talking 0.01%, basically pennies. Online banks, they play a different game. Right now, many online savings accounts offer over 4%. Let's break that down with an example. If you have $5,000 in a savings account at a traditional bank, you might earn only 50 cents in a year. With an online bank paying 4%, you'd earn around $200. Same money, same year. Completely different outcome. Number 4. Low fees or no fees at all. Have you ever checked your bank statement and thought, wait, what's this random $15 fee? Traditional banks charge for everything. Maintenance fees, minimum balance fees, ATM fees. Online banks flip the script. Most of them have no monthly fees and no minimum balance requirements. For example, Chime is known for its zero monthly fee checking account. That means if you're starting out with just a few dollars, you don't need to worry about losing money to hidden charges. Number 5. Easy-to-use apps and tools. Here's where beginners really benefit. Online banks know you're managing money on your phone, so they invest heavily in making apps that are simple, clean, and user-friendly. Want to check your balance? One tap. Want to set up a budget or track spending? Done. For example, SoFi's banking app not only shows your balances, but also helps you track your spending by category. Imagine seeing in seconds how much you spent on coffee this month without digging through paper receipts. Number 6. Faster access to your money. Here's a perk that surprises most people. Many online banks let you get paid up to 2 days earlier when you set up direct deposit. Imagine your boss sends out paychecks on Friday. With a traditional bank, you might see that money Monday or even later. But with an online bank like Chime, you might see it as early as Wednesday. That can make a huge difference if you're trying to pay bills on time or just want breathing room in your budget. Number 7. ATM access and cash deposits. Now, let's tackle the elephant in the room. What if you need cash? Many beginners worry about this. The truth is, online banks partner with massive ATM networks. For example, Ally Bank gives you free access to over 43,000 ATMs nationwide. Need to deposit cash? Some online banks let you do this through partnerships with retailers like Walgreens or CVS. It's not as instant as walking into a local branch, but it's a lot more convenient than people think. Number 8. Customer service that actually cares. One of the biggest fears is, what if I have a problem and can't walk into a branch? Here's the twist. Online banks often have better customer service because they're set up for it. Many offer 24/7 chat or phone support. For example, Discover Bank has live customer service, and you won't be stuck on hold forever. Instead of waiting in line at a branch, you can get help from your couch in minutes. Number 9. Extra perks that sweeten the deal. Online banks often throw in benefits traditional banks don't. Think cash back on debit card purchases, free overdraft protection, or even investment accounts tied right into your banking app. For example, SoFi gives you both banking and investing in one place. That means you can move money from your checking account to buy stocks or ETFs instantly. Beginners love this because it removes the friction of juggling multiple accounts across different apps. Number 10. A few downsides to consider. Now, let's be honest. Online banks aren't perfect. If you're the kind of person who wants to walk into a branch and talk face-to-face, you'll be disappointed. If you deal with a lot of cash, depositing it can be trickier than at a traditional bank. But here's the question, how often do you really need to walk into a bank? For most beginners, the trade-off of higher interest and lower fees is worth it. Number 11. How to choose the right online bank for you. Here's the million-dollar question. How do you pick the best online bank for your situation? Start with 3 key things: safety, savings, and simplicity. Safety means making sure the bank is FDIC insured. Savings means looking at the interest rate and fees. Simplicity means choosing an app that feels easy to use. For example, if you want higher savings rates, look at Ally or Discover. If you want zero fees and early paychecks, Chime is a great pick. If you want banking plus investing in one app, SoFi is your go-to. Number 12. The future of banking is digital. Think about how you shop. You probably buy things on Amazon instead of driving to the mall. Think about how you watch shows. You probably stream on Netflix instead of renting DVDs. Banking is heading in the same direction. In a few years, physical bank branches may feel as outdated as video rental stores. Starting with an online bank now puts you ahead of the curve. Number 13. Roundup savings features. Many online banks now offer roundup programs where every time you make a purchase, the amount is rounded up to the nearest dollar and the difference goes straight into your savings. For example, if you buy a coffee for $3.40, the app rounds it up to $4 and puts that extra 60 cents in savings. Over time, those tiny amounts add up, helping beginners build savings without even noticing. Number 14. Instant transfers between accounts. Traditional banks can take days to move money between your accounts. Online banks often allow instant transfers between checking and savings accounts. For instance, if you suddenly realize you overspent on groceries, you can move money from savings to checking in seconds. That speed helps beginners avoid overdrafts and stay on top of bills. Number 15. Built-in budgeting tools. Some online banks integrate budgeting directly into the app. Instead of downloading a separate app, you can track categories, like groceries, dining, and gas right inside your bank account. Vero, for example, offers tools that help you visualize where your money is going each month. This makes it easier for beginners to create and stick to a budget. Number 16. Automatic savings goals. Imagine setting a goal for a vacation fund or an emergency fund, and your bank automatically moves a set amount into that bucket every week. Online banks often let you create multiple savings vaults or buckets for different goals. For example, you could have one vault for holiday gifts, one for rent, and one for fun money. This helps beginners stay organized and actually see their progress toward goals. Number 17. International convenience. If you travel or buy things online from international websites, online banks often offer better exchange rates and lower fees. For example, some banks don't charge foreign transaction fees on debit card purchases. That means you can travel to Mexico, swipe your card, and not get hit with hidden charges. Number 18. Eco-friendly banking. Because online banks don't rely on massive office buildings, paper statements, and constant branch operations, they tend to be more eco-friendly. Some even promote paperless banking as a way to reduce environmental impact. For beginners who care about sustainability, this can feel like making money management a little greener. Number 19. Credit building opportunities. Certain online banks offer secured credit cards or special programs designed to help beginners build credit. For example, Chime offers a credit builder card that reports to the major credit bureaus. This means you can start improving your credit score while managing your checking and savings all in one place. Number 20. Integration with payment apps. Online banks typically connect seamlessly with apps like PayPal, Venmo, and Cash App. That means sending or receiving money from friends is quicker and easier. For example, you can split a dinner bill with friends and transfer the money instantly without paying extra fees. Number 21. Real-time alerts and notifications. Online banks give you instant push notifications every time money comes in or goes out. This makes it much harder for fraud to slip past you. If someone uses your card without permission, you'll know in seconds and can lock your account immediately. Number 22. Personalized insights. Some online banks use artificial intelligence to analyze your spending habits and suggest ways to save. For instance, if the app notices you spend $150 a month on takeout, it might suggest setting a weekly food budget. Beginners benefit from these little nudges because they make money management feel less overwhelming. Number 23. Access to high-yield CDs online. Online banks often offer certificates of deposit with much higher interest rates than traditional banks. That means if you're willing to lock away money for 6 or 12 months, you can earn even more interest. For example, while a branch bank might offer 1%, an online bank could offer 4%. That's a massive difference for the same investment. Number 24. Faster account setup. Opening an account at a traditional bank often means sitting in a branch, signing piles of paperwork, and waiting days for approval. With online banks, you can open an account in minutes using just your phone. In some cases, you can deposit money and start using your account the same day. Number 25. Transparency and clarity. Online banks know their biggest advantage is simplicity, so they make fees and policies clear. Instead of reading fine print, you can usually see all rules and fees listed in plain English inside the app. That transparency makes it easier for beginners to trust and understand how their bank works. Imagine this. You start today with an online bank that gives you 4% on savings, no monthly fees, and lets you get your paycheck 2 days early. A year from now, your money has grown more. You've saved more. You've had fewer headaches. And all of it started with one small decision to go digital. So here's my question for you. If you could design the perfect online bank for beginners, what features would it absolutely need to have?